time with Jaime and Michelle. And 1,000 children in the background. So many kids. But you know what? We can do it. Coffee. Yeah. Target. Our pretzel fell down. The pretzel fell down.
Well,
You take over.
I saw this meme the other day. This picture somebody drew of things that toddlers can't reach. They drop something on the floor and they can't reach it, but they can climb up the counters to get a knife off the top of the cupboards. Can't you believe it? You can't. When I was 3 years old, I climbed up our bathroom sink and things, and it cut my bangs to my scalp. Speaking of which,
You could pull that off, by the way. Not many people can.
no, I could.
You and Bjork.
The bangs are pinned today. I'm sure all of you are wondering why. My bangs are
Yeah.
my signature.
Like
the,
Sia.
the reason, the reason the bangs are pinned. is
You climbed up
because-
on the sink and you cut them to your scalp. She
Well,
will never learn.
No, I won't ever learn to not cut my own bangs. That's for sure.
Oh.
They look like my 4-year-olds cut them in my sleep.
You don't know they didn't.
That's true.
They're not in cribs anymore.
No, they're not.
What are we making today, Jane?
We are making brioche cinnamon rolls. I paused after I said brioche because, wow, that sounds fancy, doesn't
That
it?
is fancy. I think it's German or Italian. So,
European for sure.
yeah. Somewhere in the Canadian provinces of Quebec.
Montreal.
Yeah, Celine Dion.
French.
Her favorite.
Yeah, so
What?
in order to save us some precious time, yesterday I went ahead and I prepared the enriched dough recipe. Here in the distance, we have a beautiful, pretty firm, because it was in the fridge overnight, so it's pretty firm. Dough round. That sounds like something a baker would say.
When you have to go potty, stop.
Go
right away. Flush and wash and be on your way. You know, some people, they listen to I don't know, Cardi B.
I don't know this.
And BSV, NKOTV.
SWV.
Yeah, all those SCC.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and suddenly you're so for me. In a distance, you look so amazing.
Yeah. Throwback Friday.
No, contemporary
Okay.
Tuesday. What day
I
is
don't-
it?
It's not Tuesday. Cleanse.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout outs. Ooh, shout outs. I want to shout out my mom and the party planning committee and Target.
I want to shout out my kitty cat. When was the last time you worked out?
Yesterday, last night.
Me too.
Yes.
Well, not last night, but yesterday.
Yes.
Okay, so we're both really well equipped.
We're so fit.
To roll this out. That
Oh
was
yes,
my-
I didn't know that was your view. I just thought it was a feel good moment.
So we want to roll this guy out into a big rectangle. Ugh. I'm sorry, have you seen this beautiful dough I've rolled?
Oh my, that is beautiful.
Isn't it pretty?
I went to get snacks and coloring for the kids. Wow, that is
It's really nice. I want to pour glitter on it, but that would be gross.
Not if it's edible glitter. Did I make
That's
that? Probably have to go to the shady stores. So we don't.
Yesterday in my measuring, that a stick of butter is about 110 grams, which is what the filling calls for. A stick of butter.
I need a little bit of
Whoa.
that Marie Kondo to come.
You knew. Does this spark joy? Put it by your heart.
I feel calm. I feel beautiful.
Make a
Snappy new day. Feeling, you know that I'll be back
in a day.
and I'll have more ideas for you.
You'll have things
You'll want to talk about. I will too.
Now we have a nice creamy filling. It kind of looks like a chunky Nutella. I'm not gonna taste it. We're on IGTV, aren't we?
We are. We're there. They want us to.
They've called us so many times.
So many times. They're like, hey, Jennifer Garner was watching your videos the other day, and Josh and
Jenna.
And Jenna with her bread stories.
Yeah.
Bonnie O'Hara. Everybody's like, hey, we want you to do a baking show because of your high quality camera work and your lack of microphone and all
Good
your
lighting.
kids and good lighting.
Yeah.
So many things that
And
make them.
Ina Garten was like, I gotta taste that stuff.
I'm just checking my Instagram. I have lots of Instagrams. One of them being a treadmill, which is not weird when you are a early 30s stay-at-home mom like myself, who's part of the party planning committee. Sometimes you make an Instagram for a former office cast member's treadmill that she talks about all the time in her Insta stories, and it's so delightful, and she's so delightful. Over 1,100,000 people.
You have 100 followers?
I have 101, but they keep going away because I do all the hashtags like you're supposed to do on the social media. Being an early 30s millennial mom, the Gen X or whatever, I don't know, what's the good one? What's the young one? That's what I am.
Gen Y.
Because I'm really good at social media. This is my smartphone. And I hashtag the fitness and stuff because I'm like an ironic treadmill. I'm like silly and I mostly just store stuff and kitties sleep on me. Anyway, but I get these big giant fitness guys who follow my page, but they don't care. They don't want a funny ironic treadmill.
They don't care about satire.
They just want to sell the protein powder. The follow or unfollow game.
It's so frustrating. Follow us because you like it. Because you like what we're posting. You think we're funny. You think I'm deep on my devotional page. And
Yeah,
you think
Devo.
that she's hysterical on her treadmill page.
At Hope Journal. Yeah, we're hard-working, early 30, 20-something moms with a couple kids who...
Born in the 90s.
Born in the
Us,
90s.
not our kids.
That's confusing. Social media experts. You know, like the Kardashians.
We don't need to be famous, just like
A little
a
bit.
little bit famous. So famous that it isn't high maintenance. Haters gonna hate though.
That's what our friend TJ says.
She does this. She's like,
No, what does that mean? Like, oh, my nails are drying.
shake it off.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna see if I can redistribute some feeling here. Not feeling,
You're redistributing your feelings?
filling.
So much.
I'm so southern. I can't say for certain that when I mixed this dough with my bare hands yesterday that I washed my hands prior. I'm not saying I did not, but I'm not certain that I did. 375. My hand germs can't live in that kind of heat, so it's fine.
Rolling in the deep. Oh, we went different directions with that one.
But yeah, I like your Adele is more current than my Clueless. Rolling with the homies reference.
Alicia Silverstone.
Rolling with the homies.
When you don't know the words to a song, you just do a little sa sa sa,
That's
and
true.
it covers it up.
It does. Covers a
Reaching
multitude
up,
of not knowing lyrics.
It does. It covers a multitude of words. Sa 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 sa.
I didn't bring my dough scraper.
Bonnie O'Hara.
Since we don't have my dough scraper. Oh, you guys, this is awesome. Look at it.
It looks so nice.
It looks like an elephant trunk. That's the sound it would make if we blew through it.
Oh, yeah. What's
No.
the one you blew through?
The ram's horn. The shofar.
Shofar.
By the way. Do you have a huge knife?
I do.
Aha! Ooh, do you have one that's not serrated?
Oh boy.
Or do you have dental floss?
Oh, stars.
Trick of the trade.
I do have dental
Get
floss.
the dental floss. We're doing it. It makes it more dramatic and interesting. I think if we floss these cinnamon rolls, we won't have to floss our teeth happily, you know.
Pro tip, life hack. Reach, mint wax. It's mint. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Mint cinnamon roll.
I've never actually used it. I just know that you can use it.
I like your style. 4 out of 5 dentists approve this baking method.
They do.
This is what it's like the whole time. It's like a Montessori preschool in here. Just pulled these beauties out of the oven. They look so good.
What?
This is not messing around.